Hi, first graders. We are here today to do a number talk, and we are going to use, this is actually a coloring sheet that comes off of the website MashUps. What they're giving you here are different symbols, and they want you to try and figure out what the value is of each of these symbols. They've given you some of the numbers in these equations, so you have to go through the equations and see what you can figure out based on what they've already given you. All the symbols that are the same are going to have the same value. So all of these unicorns will have the same value. All these genie lamps will have the same value, and the mermaids will have the same value, and the cauldrons will have the same value. So Jack is going to help me here, and we're going to try and work through and see if we can figure out what the value is for each of these symbols. So if you need some time to think, go ahead and pause, and then we'll talk through it with Jack as well. All right. Where do you want to start?
Here.
All right. So Jack's going to choose to start in this first equation here. Okay. So I'm going to get my marker. All right, Jack. Unicorn plus unicorn plus unicorn equals 6. If you have 3 unicorns added together to equal 6 and they're all the same value, what do you think those unicorns are worth?
2.
2. Okay. Why do you think 2?
Because 2 plus 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2. I'm going to get a darker color here. So you think 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6?
Yeah.
Okay. How can we check our work there?
So you could just do 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 2 more is 6.
Good. 4, and then 2 more, 5, 6. All right. I agree with that. So that means that all the unicorns are worth 2. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 on the other unicorns. Okay. Which equation do you want to try and solve next?
This one.
The second one. Okay. How come?
Because there's already a 2 there.
Good. Yeah, we already have a 2 for the unicorn. We already know, what do we call the answer to an addition problem? Do you remember?
No.
Sum, the sum, right? So 2 plus something has to give us 11. So what do you think this genie lamp is going to be worth here?
9.
Ooh, 9. How did you know that?
Because there's already 2 there.
There's already 2 there, but how did you know to put 9 there? What was your strategy?
If that was 1, it would be 10, but just it's 9, so it would be 2.
Okay, so you knew it was 2. You were thinking to get to 10, 1 plus 9 would give you 10. But since you have to get to 11, you know it would be 2 plus 9.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that means all the other genie lamps must also equal 9. Okay, now which equation are you going to solve?
This one.
All right, third equation. What can you tell me about it?
9 minus 3 equals 5.
Okay, how do you know?
Because 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, 6.
Oh, 6. Okay, so Jack counted back from 9, 8, 7, 6. All right, so you think that 6, the mermaids are equal to 6. We're going to go ahead and put a 6 in for the other mermaids. Oh, okay, and then the cauldron is the last symbol we need to solve for. So do you think you can figure out what the cauldron's equal to? We'll figure this one out here. The fourth equation.
$12.
Okay, you think 6 plus 6 is equal to 12? How come?
Yeah. Because 6 plus 6.
How do you know 6 plus 6?
4 plus 4 is 8, and then add 4 more. And and you get to 12.
Okay, good. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and then he added 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 more. It's good thinking. That's one of our doubles too, right? 6 plus 6 is 12. So that means that this cauldron is also equal to 12. Whoa, this is a big one now, but I think you can solve it. You have all your add-ins here, don't you? 2 plus 12 plus 9. How could we easily
2
solve
plus
this?
12
What would you
is
start with?
14.
Okay, so 2 plus 12 equals 14. Oh, what's 14 plus 9?
14 plus 9. 22.
22, okay. Let's count it on. So you were counting with your fingers. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
21.
22,
24.
23, right? So if I was at 14 and added 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Or you could think of it 14 plus 10 would equal, Big Brother Patrick, what's 14 plus 10? 24. So since we're adding only 9, we could say, oh, I know that would be 23. Great thinking, Jack. Hope you first graders were able to figure out these different symbols today and their values. Keep up the great work, right? Have a great day.